Hey, how you doing? What's up, good people? Hope you had a blessed and wonderful weekend. I had a wonderful weekend with the wife and her birthday and these allergies. Hey, we're going to get right into it. But first, do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell if you are new to the page. I am Larry Jones. This is Stock Up. We are a family. We all make sure that we all make money. All right. Today I'm going to talk about count them, 1, 2, 3, 4 stocks actually that I believe that everyone should have in their portfolios. 2 will be stock and 2 will be crypto. All right. Remember, anything I say is not a recommendation for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock. And please be careful of spam. Never, ever, 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 ever send money to anybody. Don't give your information, your address. I don't care if they say, hey, it's me, Larry, or whoever's page that you are on. Don't do it. It's spam. You're setting yourself up for a fall. All right, good people, let's get right into it. The first one, I'm going to go right into it because we have a lot to cover. We're going into Apple. Apple, I believe, should be on everyone's radar and it should be a part of everyone's portfolio. Today, Apple's partner Foxconn revealed its first electric vehicle. Now, remember, this is not Apple, but it's someone that manufactures a lot of their iPhones, okay? And that came out today, but let's look at Apple itself. Just want to throw that in there. Let's look at Apple itself. If you could see here, let's go to a 1 year. Now, look at Apple, okay? When you look at a short period with Apple, for those of you that are new, you may see something like this in the 1 month. And that doesn't look really appealing or attractive. But, you know, the old saying, when in doubt, zoom out, go out 6 months, you see steady growth, right? Go out year to date, you see growth. But when you go out 5 years, an all time, this is ridiculous growth, parabolic growth. $10,000 bet on Apple then is worth in 2016, $21,000. Look at this. 2011, had you invested $10,000, it'd be worth $36,000. If you had invested $10,000 in 1997, it'd be worth $2.5 million. And if you had invested in 1984, which many of you weren't born, it'd be worth $3.8 million. Let's just keep it going. My second stock is Tesla. Look at Tesla. It is just gangbusters, parabolic, look just like Apple. What I want to tell you guys is Apple and Tesla are world changers. These are stock that just transcends time, really, because they are in the AI, they're into disruptive technology, and they're just a good, steady growth stock year over year. And what I really like about these stocks are they don't get stagnant. They don't do like Sears and Roebuck, just get to a certain point and then freeze up and they don't grow anywhere. Like the music industry with CDs, you know. Apple actually tried to make a deal with them and they turned it down, and Apple took over the music industry. So that's what I like about companies like these that are looking for the future. Continue to invest in these companies year over year. Dollar cost average in, whether you're putting the same amount of money every week, every month, or bi-monthly, right? And a lot of you can do this with your portfolios. You could set it on automatic where it will pull the same amount of money out of your bank account monthly, bi-monthly, or weekly. And all you have to do is buy the stock. Okay, good people. So that's what I want to say for those of you that are new. I know a lot of you guys know this, but there's a lot of newbies and we want to keep them making money with us. All right, let's keep it going. If you'd invested $1,000 in the Tesla on March 7th, 2011, look at that. It would be worth $119 $120,000, almost $120,000. Actually, it would be because this was posted on March 10th of 2021. Okay. Always look at the date when you're reading these articles. So if you would have simply invested $1,000 into Tesla March 7th, 2011, okay, it'd be worth over $120,000, right? Wanted to get that in. Now, don't fool yourself. Don't think that you could beat these kind of earnings year over year and you just got into the market, all right? Let me tell you something. 2020 was a bull market, right? And now we have cryptocurrencies and we have these hype coins and everybody think they're going to get rich overnight. It's okay to be invested in some of these coins. I am, but I'll tell you this. I have 70% of my money into stock that's going to grow year over year. And that's the way you truly build wealth, all right? Look at Ethereum. Ethereum is my second, really. It's the second cryptocurrency that I think everyone should have. And I'll just go ahead and tell you Bitcoin is number one. But I think Ethereum is number two. Look at Ethereum. Let's do just a year to date. Look at it. It went up, boom, came back down, went back up. But when you look at it over a 1 year chart, look at what it did. When in doubt, zoom out. Now, for those of you that's been rolling with me, we kept buying it at 1,700. Look at what it did. Let's go to year to date. We bought it 3 times, remember, at 1,700. Boom. We just kept getting it. Boom. We got it right there. And we hit it 3 times. I actually hit it 4 times. I hit it here, here, and here, and here. And I just kept doubling down. If you guys remember this play, let me go here. If you guys remember this play and you were with me, type in the comments and say, yep, I was on these 1,700 buy the dips on Ethereum. All right. For those that are new. And so we just kept making money. And what do you think Ethereum's going to do over a period of time? Let's see what the experts think. There's a panel of experts that think Ethereum will reach 19,800 by 2025. That's what a lot of these experts thinks. 19,000, let's just say 20,000 by 2025. Now, these are some of the things that I want to discuss with you guys. So we got Apple, we got Tesla, we got Ethereum, and the fourth one is Bitcoin. The reason why I think everybody should be in Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is the big dog. What is Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin right now, as we speak, is $61,810, right? It's near an all-time high. That's where Bitcoin is right now. And Bitcoin is going to continue to grow. Most analysts think Bitcoin could literally hit 100,000 by the end of this year. We're rounding it up, all right? They playing Christmas music already. You guys have heard it. And for Bitcoin to hit 100,000 is just, if you look at the growth for just this year, is just crazy. And we think it's going to continue to grow. Eventually, one Bitcoin will be worth over $1 million because there's more millionaires than there are Bitcoin. And a lot of people think that Ethereum one day will overtake Bitcoin, all right, in market cap. And so that's why it's always good to invest in the 2 top dogs. So my 4 equities, I think, that you should have is Tesla, world changing. I believe Tesla by 2025 will be $3,000. Apple, continued growth. I don't know where Apple will be. All I know is going to be much higher than it is right now, to be quite honest with you. Ethereum, which has already ripped this year, has made us a lot of money, is going to have continued massive growth because of more adoption into crypto. And then Bitcoin. I must admit, Bitcoin, I was a little late to. I've been dollar cost averaging in to Bitcoin, but I haven't been as aggressive as I should, and now it's high. So what I'm going to tell you is with Bitcoin, I am buying, like I told you guys, I'm buying some in my BlockFi. There's a link below. And what I'm doing now is I'm doing half and half. I'm dollar cost averaging in into Bitcoin, but I'm also buying stable coin in my BlockFi. Why are you buying stable coin, Larry? Because they're paying 8% on stable coin, right? And then if Bitcoin does come down, if it hits the bottom of, if we hit the back end of a bull run and crypto tanks, I'm buying a full Bitcoin. Because remember, there's more millionaires than there are Bitcoin. That's going to cause the price of Bitcoin to go up, because I believe that everyone is going to want to have it down the road when all of the FUD is done and the adoption is done, and we have a real ETF of Bitcoin, not just futures, but the actual Bitcoin. Okay, good people, that's what I think. And leave me a comment if you think that these are four that everybody needs to have in their crypto portfolio and their stock portfolio. All right, good people. Hey, listen, I want to tell you guys this, leave by this. Let's not get lazy and just have one trading platform. That is one of the earlier mistakes that I made. I have multiple platforms depending on what I want to do. And I will tell you, once you learn one platform, all the other platforms become easy. It becomes much easier. So I buy all of my crypto with Coinbase. I have a link below, deposit $100. I buy my altcoins, buy the Bitcoins, the bigger coins with BlockFi. But I also swing trade all of my coins with Webull, right? And I do my swing trading in stock with Webull, though I also have Fidelity, and I have my Roth IRA in Fidelity. So I have a link below for BlockFi, Coinbase, and Webull. Deposit $100 in each. You're going to get a ton of free crypto and stocks. Okay, good people, we're going to leave it right there. Make sure you check out all the links below. I apologize for these allergies. I'm on this Allegra and it got me jacked up today. Good people, leave me some comments. Looking forward to see what you guys have to say. Talk to you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.